So Loki basically just took a bath, and now this is the way he's drying himself. I swear he's like a little kid. Like a little baby. What you doing over there, Loki? Why do you do this? Is there any reason why you're doing this? Any plausible reason? Other than I'm a Frenchie and I'm cute and I just want to break stuff. Yeah, boy. You just want to break stuff? Look at the beautiful face. Look at that beautiful face. What are you up to right now? Gonna dry yourself some more, of course. Yeah. Whoop. Look at that. Look at that piece of beauty. Loki, Loki. Why is your butt lifted upwards like this? Okay. Jesus. I swear he's such a cutie. You are such a cutie. Careful not to fall. Look, potato position. Loki, did you tell the audience to subscribe? Not just watch the video, but also subscribe? Why is your head over there? Yeah, people need to subscribe. If they want to see your videos and notifications, they need to subscribe and they need to like the video, Loki. Tell the audience this. Tell your family this. Loki. Loki. What you doing over there? Nice. Let me see your bunny face. And potato position. That's a drumstick over there. 2 drumsticks. And you're out. Look at his face. What's up, dear sir? What did you hear? Nothing, I guess.